Well, the day after Christmas, I unboxed the Iceco vl60 dual zone fridge freezer. It's now running in my bedroom on the floor. On the control panel here, it shows the two different zones, and I have it set to max, and I've turned the temperatures down so it's currently cycling down to its coolest that it can get, just to see how it works. It plugs in over here. It can be on household current or 12 volt. It has a fuse, also an automotive style fuse, and a cooling fan that's blowing. It stands just below my kneecap. It's 19 inches. Very sturdy construction. There's a light that comes on. Removable basket. Has recommendations for keeping your food at optimum temperatures, etc., etc. The brand is Iceco. It has a smaller side over here with the freezer. A removable basket. Now the cool thing about this is you don't have to have your ice chest taking up space full of ice. Instead, it can just be full of food and not be getting wet. Very heavy construction. It is a little heavier than I expected, but it's very nice. These heavy clamped, or this will be clamped to the floor in the back with a strap from here down to here. Likewise on this side, so when you're driving, if you have to slam on your brakes or if you should get into an accident, it will stay mounted to the floor. Or in our case, it will be a drawer that will slide out from under the bed out the rear cargo doors. So there it is. To give some perspective, there's my foot. It looks a lot bigger in this video than it really is. There's a king-size bed for comparison and a small chest of drawers.